Hi, I'm John Parkinson. I'm Principal Research Fellow in the Department of Pure and Applied Chemistry at the University of Strathclyde. I am responsible for the Nuclear Magnetic Resonance Facility, which is the main facility within the university. With me, I have a colleague, Craig Irvin, who is technical support, and I'm principally responsible for direction of the strategy of the unit. So through the research equipment that we have and the expertise that's available, we're able to offer services to any organisation, research teams or individual researchers advising on approaches to investigating their research questions, providing the NMR data for them from our range of instruments here in the NMR laboratory, or working with them collaboratively and in partnership to find answers to those research questions. The equipment that we have here in the magnet room consists of 4 solution phase Bruker NMR spectrometers, 2 with magnetic fields of 9.4 Tesla, 400 megahertz, 1 with a magnetic field of 11.7 Tesla, 500 megahertz, and our high field system with a magnetic field of 14.1 Tesla, 600 megahertz. The instruments are equipped with broadband frequency capable NMR probes that are capable of delivering the entire range of solution phase NMR experiments. The work can either be carried out under full automation using our robotic sample changers or by hands-on intervention for more interactive NMR investigations. The instruments have variable temperature capabilities, and we also have specialist high-resolution magic angle spinning and flow probe hardware associated with the National NMR-BASE facility for biological and in-cell NMR studies. NMR-BASE is also supported by adjacent cell culture facilities, and we encourage inquiries from any groups with interest in applying NMR to biological and especially cellular systems. The equipment is able to help solve problems in molecular structure determination, molecular recognition and interactions, reaction monitoring, metabolic profiling, molecular association, as well as quantitation using a non-destructive approach, which is one of the beauties of NMR spectroscopy. We're often engaged in determining the structures of reaction products, and in particular looking at the stereochemistry and three-dimensional structures of small molecules. And with our experience in working with nucleic acids, it enables us to work with those that have got interest in biological systems, the interactions of molecules with nucleic acids, both drug-like and protein-type molecules. We have extensive state-of-the-art NMR research equipment here, and that's backed up by nearly 4 decades of NMR experience. We're very approachable, and we feel confident that we can offer a variety of solutions to those that have research questions that will be addressed by NMR spectroscopy.
This facility is available for commercial hire. Send your inquiries to chemistry.enquiry@strath.ac.uk. For more information, visit our website at tinyurl.com/pack-NMR. Follow us on our socials to hear more about our amazing facilities. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use this. Stay tuned for more news from inside Strath Chemistry Facilities Spotlight.